Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In the past, the Hakka lived in traditional courtyard houses, and the largest is the Liu Courtyard House located in Shigang, Taichung. Unfortunately, it was destroyed during the 1999 Jiji earthquake. But the Hakka were undaunted by the difficult task at hand. Rebuilding it brick by brick, they've remodeled it into a cultural park. Today, it's a living relic exhibiting the famous sky blue Hakka shirts, wood carvings, and more. Through this, one can see how persistent the Hakka are about preserving their cultural legacy.
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。
今天我要提问题咯。
你要一开始就问我问题，
我要考你啊，
要考我了是不是 ？Okay, so Leo is here to quiz me on something. 我没有准备，但是放马过来。
那我问你哦，什么是货坊？
货坊有教过
对，
货坊是伙房嘛，所以就是厨房。所以今天我们要讲吃的东西，对不对？
并不对
啊，不是吗？
不是，
伙房啊，伙房不是厨房吗？
客家人的伙房不一样
啊。好像有上次提过，对不对？
是
客家人的伙房是，
就是我们的一个客家的聚落。
That's right.
伙房喔。
It's actually a kind of building that kind of gathers families together. The Hakka culture actually built this type of structure, and it's called 伙房。OK， 那为什么要考我伙房呢？
今天我们要带大家去台中石港。
台中石港，
石港有一个很有名叫刘屋伙房。
刘屋伙房就是刘家的伙房，
对，刘家的伙房。
OK， 这有什么特别吗？刘家
其实刘家他们那个石港地区，你知道，在921的时候，其实它的受创很严重。
OK，
当地的人呢，他们是非常的就有心，他们要保留原来的以前的火房屋的那个样子
OK，
然后把它变成一个客家的文化园区。
very nice. So Leo introduced to us a type of building in the Hakka culture known as the 伙房 or 伙房. But now it's transferred into a Hakka culture park because after the 921 earthquake, they decided to rebuild and remodel it into a culture park where people can visit now anytime, which is great. And this is located in Sakong, okay, that township in Taichung County. All right, let's review these terms. It was originally known as the Liu housing, 刘屋伙房.
刘屋伙房.
刘屋伙房. And finally, it's located in Taichung Shigang.
台中石港.
Taichung Shigang. There you have it. It's Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.